Welcome back, my friends. Once you launch the eTabs and start a new project, you start a new project by clicking on that option or you press Ctrl N. The first window you will encounter is the Model Initialization dialog box. This window allows you to set your basic configuration for your project, including units, design codes, and material databases. Let's go through each option step by step. At the top of this window, you will see three initialization objects. The first one is use saved user default settings. eTabs, when you click on OK, it will use the saved default settings for eTabs. The second option, use settings from model file. You will use specific options and settings from the previous model that you worked on. You can select it. Use built-in settings with display units. You can choose your units. Metric SI, it's the International System of Units, and the metric International System of Units also, but this option allows you to choose kilograms and tons instead of Newton and kilonewton. US customary, it's the imperial units, which represents the United States units. It's use the pound for masses and feet and inch for length. Region for default material. Here you can find the region for your material. It must be consistent with section databases and material databases. So when you work on a code from United States, your region must be from United States. So every material will be compatible with the codes that you will choose. Steel section database. Here you can find the steel section, the steel section database that you will work on. American section, Europe section, Chinese section, whatever sections that you will work on, which are available in the markets. Steel design code. Here you can select your steel code by this drop down option. You can select the code of steel that you will work on. Concrete design code. Also, this is a drop down option. You can select the concrete code that you will work on in your model. After you specify and select all your options, you can click on OK to proceed with the next step. See you on next lecture.